Hi, in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a photo gallery to your new website. So what I've done is brought you over to the templates, and if we scroll down, as you can see, there's a large selection of individual templates that you can use, and you can use these obviously through the live demo to practice building a website. What we're going to do is we're going to use this template down here, nearly there, this one here, the toolbox template. So you click on live demo, and then this will bring the template up for you. So what we're going to do, like I say, you'll get your welcome guide, and then you'll get other individual videos which you can follow. And what we need to do is add a photo gallery. So I'll just give you a look at the template we're going to use, which is this one. And it's very easily set out. So if you're looking for a template like this, then this is a good one to try. So what we first need to do is go to settings. And from settings, we're going to add a new sub page. So click that. And let's say we call this a tool gallery. And then if we click on this button here, we click on photo gallery and then add. And what that does is it drops it up into the top menu here, tool gallery. And this is the gallery. Now what we're going to do is change these pictures. So first of all, if you click on here and add a new photo, and then this brings the selection of photos up. But there's another way that we can actually do it quickly. If we go to theme and then click on this image, that image is dropped in there. So first of all, we can just put tools in there, and then tick, and then this one here, we'll bin that one. Okay, and then what we can do, we can add another one. So go to themes, I'll pick that one there, which is different. So click on there, and you can add something like buy tools, which is that one. Click. So we'll bin this one here. Yeah. Then we'll add another one. And what you can do also is upload different photos if you want, which I'm sure you'll do. So the next one we'll put in is this one, which is this one here. Just add tools on that one again. So that's added that, and then finally we'll delete that one there, and then we'll add another one, themes. So let's say we'll just go for this one as an example, and we'll just put for sale. This is giving just an example, so you can put in there whatever you want. And then, like I say, what you can do is then, if you come out of this and refresh, that then adds all the different images. And if you click on one of these, what you can do is, if you click on this button here, and you can actually see the images that you've just uploaded. And you can see, you can actually write about the tools down here. So if we go back, and if you want to come out of this, just click the close up the top, and there you go. That's your gallery being added to your website. So I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.